Kia Philippines had a grand time slowly building awareness for the arrival of the Stonic, Kia's trendy subcompact crossover, late last year. First touting the trendy styling catering to a younger generation and first-time car buyers, then hyping all the techie stuff and advanced safety and driver assist technology that will go into the Stonics it will roll out locally. Finally, the price points, almost cutthroat pricing really, for the Stonic were revealed well before its arrival, with the promise of deep discounts for those who drop reservation fees. And when the first batch of Kia Stonics finally arrived late in the year, Kia reported having nearly all units having been reserved by expectant buyers. When finally viewed in the metal and experienced in the physical, does the Stonic live up to the hype and fulfill promises made during the long reveal? The Stonic certainly has a trendy styling that would captivate young buyers with just the right amount of cuteness and edgy design cues, and it came in colors only the young would appreciate. All in a package that fits snugly in the subcompact crossover segment, 4,100mm long, 1,735mm wide, and 1,533mm tall, with a 2,570mm wheelbase and a 185mm ground clearance. Sharp angry eyes for headlamps come with projector-type halogen lights. The 1.4EX also comes with LED running lamps, turn signal indicators integrated into the side mirrors, black and silver radiator grille, chrome belt line molding, and door handles. Also standard in the Stonic are rear window defoggers, rear spoiler with high mount stop lamp, front and rear skid plates, roof rails and fin-type antenna, as well as cool-looking 16-inch alloy wheels wrapped by 195/60 R16 tires. The cabin of the Stonic has surprisingly more room than suggested by its exterior dimensions. It only comes with cloth-covered seats, but they look and feel rich. They also complement the black dashboard of soft-to-touch plastics that has silver accents on the EX variant. On the EX, the driver can slide, recline, and adjust his seat for height. The instrument panel is well laid out with analog speedometer and tachometer, as well as a 3.5-inch TFT LCD multifunction display. The 3-spoke polyurethane steering wheel feels great, but only tilts it doesn't telescope. Still, it comes with controls for audio and Bluetooth. The EX gets smart keyless entry and illuminated push-start button. Standard interior comfort and convenience features include automatic air conditioning, power windows and door locks, power outlet, glove box, 2 cup holders on front console, and 4 bottle holders on doors. Dominating the center of the dash is the 8-inch touchscreen of the infotainment system that comes with AM/FM radio, MP3 player, Bluetooth for hands-free mobile phone use, and 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. The great thing is that the system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stonic's powered by a 1.4-liter inline-4 DOHC and DC VVT, generating a maximum 100 PS at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 132 Nm of torque at 4,000 RPM. The engine drives the front wheels by a 6-speed automatic transmission. The engine provides the Stonic with enough power to keep up with other automobiles on expressways. Within city limits, the Stonic is a smooth and very comfortable ride, providing the driver a higher point of view than in sedans. The front McPherson struts and coupled torsion beam axle in the rear help the Stonic ride road imperfections well for a small crossover. The EX gets all-wheel disc brakes which provide confident power. The Stonic EX also comes with a number of driver assist and safety technologies that give it great value for money. Standard Stonic safety features include anti-lock brake system, 4 3-point ELR seatbelts with free tensioner, 2-point seatbelt for 1, ISOFIX child anchors, and child lock. Also standard is the rear camera display with dynamic guidelines that make parking the Stonic a breeze. This is complemented by rear parking sensors in the EX. The EX also gets electronic stability control and hill start assist that gives driver more confidence in driving on hilly countrysides. Also offering a sense of security is the presence of anti-theft system and immobilizer on the EX.